Module 2, Lesson 1, Why Move Things Around. A couple definitions here to start out with. Congruence means basically the object is the same size and same shape. You have a duplicate, an exact duplicate. Pre-image, meaning first or before. So the pre-image is the original figure. And they would use just a letter for that a lot of times. The image is the new figure, and they will use the same letter, but then they will put this little mark on it, and that is pronounced A prime. Okay, that little mark is telling you that that is the new figure that was created. And then a map is just the drawing of the pre-image into the image. Okay, it's the drawing showing the pre-image and how it was transformed to make the image. So we're going to look on here at reviewing plotting points for one. So this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. When we plot a coordinate, the first number is your x, which is your left or right direction. Your second number is your y, which is your up or down direction. Now you should have done this in previous years, but I wanted to review this to make sure. So if we are plotting the point -2, 3, that means we are going to go in the left or right direction -2 and the up or down direction +3. So -2 would mean left 2, +3 would mean up 3, so this would be our -2, 3 coordinate. Now, we already have a coordinate here listed. We want to know what the coordinate is for that point shown. So what is the coordinate for this point here? Well, from the center, which is called the origin, we need to go right 4 spaces to line it up. So over 4 spaces here, and we're going to the right, so that's a +4. And then we need to go down 2 spaces. Down is negative, so -2, 4, -2. You can't switch these around. -2, 4 would be a different location. So this point here is +4, -2. Right 4, down 2.